Hey my pretties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me sharing with you two boxes that came to me, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. I wanted to do this before I ended up letting this stuff just sit in a corner waiting for me to film it, and it takes me like another week. So because I was in the mood to do this right now, I just said let me go ahead and open up these boxes and share them with you guys. So the first box came from Lush, another box from Lush. If you guys seen my previous video, they sent me some stuff for Halloween. It was, I think it was released on like Friday the 13th. I love Lush products. They sent a bunch of cute like bath bombs and stuff. So this time they sent me some of their hair products. And I was like, what? So they contacted me and they was like, did you want to, you know, get another box? And I'm like, of course. So it says, hey Lushy, say hello to Good Hair Days. So I have never used any hair products from Lush. I'm usually really finicky when it comes to hair products, but I'm gonna give these a try, but I wanna show you guys what they sent. So the first thing I see in this box, which I thought was super cool and weird at the same time, is wasabi. Wasabi shan ki or kai, I'm not sure, K-U-I. And like I said before, I love Lush products because they always put the person who made the product on here, or who packaged it, I should say. It says this product was made by Susan on such and such date, best used fresh. So I really like that. I think that's super cool. So this is wasabi shampoo. It says show your scalp some love with a stimulating blend of fresh wasabi, menthol, and caffeine. So it smells like, it smells real earthy. Is that a word? Earthy? It smells good. It smells weird, but good. It's almost like a spinach, kale, apple, cucumber smoothie. You know those smoothies that you see that people do and they're like just green, like with apples and bananas, but you get all that green? That's what this smells like to me. I don't really smell wasabi. So I'm not too sure. It says apply a small amount to the hair, work into a lather, then rinse thoroughly. The cooling action of menthol crystals feels fab on a hot day or after a tough workout. So this is super cool. I'm excited to try that. The next thing I see is hair custard made by Susan. Hair dressing gives your hair texture and hold and scents. With comforting vanilla absolute. So I'm taking that it smells like vanilla. It says rub a small amount between hands and work into wet or dry hair, style as usual. So it's pretty much like a leave-in. I love vanilla scent and it smells like vanilla, but it smells like something else and I can't put my finger on it. I don't know. It smells like something else, but I can't really put my finger on it. And I have the information right here. Vanilla is the main fragrance. It says strawberry juice, cider vinegar. Maybe that's the cider vinegar I'm smelling with the vanilla. It doesn't stink. It smells good. It's just a different kind of a fragrance that I'm used to. So this is their hair custard. If you've tried any of these products, let me know down below. The next thing I see is this Candy Rain conditioner, like that. Shower locks in sweet tonka. Ooh, that's my favorite scent. One of my favorite scents is the tonka bean. It says tonka scented softness with glossy macadamia and Brazilian nut oils. Let's see. Oh, that smells good. That smells really good. Okay, let's see. It says after shampooing, smooth conditioner through your hair, concentrated on the ends, rinse out, and you're done. And this is called Candy Rain. So I'm gonna try that. I need to wash my hair anyway, so I might try that soon. Let's see. This right here was made by Marlon. Shout out to Marlon. This is a R&B hair moisturizer. R&B, okay. It says a rich leave-in moisturizer to revive and balance dry or curly hair. Oh, I like that. You know what that smells like? Oh, it smells like, I had to think about it. Cocoa butter, like Palmer's lotion cocoa butter. Something like that. It smells good. That smells really good. What fragrance is in that? Extra virgin coconut oil, jojoba oil, orange flower. I get a little bit of a flower scent. That's what I smell, a little bit of flower. Not big on floral scents, but this is a different kind of a floral. Let's see, jasmine. It's a few other scents, but those are the main ones that I see, and I definitely can smell that in there. So R&B hair mustard. Okay, then I see this Super Balm in this cute little container. It says a scalp treatment, which we always need in my house. My two of my kids have a lot of yeah, a lot. So I usually have to buy medicated shampoo to control that, and a lot of combing. So Super Balm scalp treatment, got flakes that no shampoo can banish. Sounds interesting. Massage this in, leave for 20 minutes, then shampoo it out. I cannot wait. I'm gonna give this one to my son and let him try it out first before I try it on my daughter. Ooh, that's definitely a fragrance. That's, oh, whoa. I don't know what I'm getting. I don't know what I'm getting out of that one. Woo, made me want to roll my eyes. Extra virgin coconut oil. I don't know these fragrances. Chamomile, lavender. Is that what I'm smelling? Like a really it's like a lavender, and it's weird to me. It's like lavender, lime, trees. I don't know, but it is some kind of like medicated type stuff, so I guess it kind of smells medicated just a little bit. So that's what I'm getting from that. Okay. Oh, this was made and packaged on my birthday. Oh, that's so cool. So yeah, that's what this is, Super Balm. I can't wait to see how that works out. And then the last thing in this box is this little container right here. Really cute little packaging. And let's open it. And it says it is Queen Bee Hair. It says it's Queen Bee Hair Honey Lush. So it's wrapped in this paper. And what I did was I looked right here, and it says Queen Bee Hair Honey, created specifically for natural, curly, or afro hair. This blend of nourishing almond oil and cocoa butter locks in moisture with fragrant, I've never even seen this word before, rooibos is R-O-O-I-B-O-S. Rooibos, and cinnamon in this honey packed balm. So whether you twist, oh, that's cool. Whether you twist, braid, steam, or jump straight out of bed, you'll be crazy in love with the results. Oh, that's. It says break off a small amount, melt into hands, and work through the hair for definition and moisture. Ooh, let's open this. Okay, it's kind of soft, not real soft, but it's soft enough to where I'm trying to be careful. Oh, and it smells good, and it's wrapped in like a little piece of plastic. Ooh, I can feel it. Like I can feel it that it melted, and it feels really nice. So I can only imagine coating your hair with this is gonna feel good, or even if you know. Oh yeah, I don't know what I was about to say. Even if you want to condition your hair with this, put it in your style or something. So I will definitely, I'm not gonna open it because it feels like if I open it, my heat from my hands will probably melt it. So I'm gonna leave it in that package and put it back in here. And that is it for the products that Lush sent me. They are super cool. Like I did last time, I will link all of these products down in the description box in case you are interested in trying any of these. If you have tried any of these, why does my camera look crooked? Is it crooked, you guys? Hold on. I don't know if it's just me, but it feels like it looked a little crooked. But hey, what I was about to say is if you've tried any of these or if you know about any of these products, please leave me a comment down below and let me know, because we are going to use these between me and my son. We're gonna give these a try, especially the Super Balm. I'm gonna give to him. The other stuff, the shampoo and the conditioner stuff, all of this stuff I'm gonna use, but I'm gonna let him try this out. Now, moving on to this, which is a pizza slicette. This is from Foodie Cosmetics, and you guys recently seen the food palette that I had ordered from a different company, which I paid for with my own money. I love those. So this is going to be very interesting to see, because that company, I ordered, what did I get? The taco and the burger. They did have a pizza and I didn't order it, but when this company contacted me, I looked on their site and I thought the colors that they had was really pretty. So I went ahead and selected 2 and they sent it to me. Let me show you guys something real quick. This is what the palettes look like. Cute little slices of pizza. Kind of like, well, let's see if I can get it right. It would be something like this. Hold on. So like if it was a whole pizza, it would be like 2 slices like that. But let me show you. So they came in the box like that. This is the inside of the box, right? Why does it look like it has oil stains in it? Look at that. I don't know if they did that on purpose, because you know when you order a pizza, you have like oil sometimes in the box or whatever at the bottom of the box. I don't know if they did that. If they did, it's super cute and creative. I like that. And so yeah, okay, so the first one that I got, do they have the names on them? Yeah. Okay, so this one is called Pizza Party, and it does have the name on the back right here. My camera is acting crazy right now. So the first one is called Pizza Party. It does have the name right here. This is what the palette looks like. Kind of small but cute. Let's see. They don't smell like anything. They don't have a fragrance. You do get the mirror right here, and then you get the colors. So let me show you. Hopefully it doesn't get blurry. You got certain names like smoked salmon, sliced black olive, caramelized onions, shredded radicchio. How do you say that? Radicchio? I think that's it. Salami, and you got a few other colors. So this is the first one right here. And which one did I say? This one is Pizza Party. Hopefully the lighting, yeah, right there. Really pretty. Really pretty. I will swatch these in just a second, just to so we can see. And then this one is called Pizza Belly. Pizza Belly. Not Bella, but Belly. Don't mind me. And it looks like this. And I like those colors. I love that blue, that purple down there, and that like cinnamon brown. Come on, lighting. Like that. Really, really pretty. So I'm gonna swatch them and then I'll show you guys what they look like. Okay, so these are the colors from the palette called Pizza Belly. You have this one down here, which is called Hot Italian Sausage. You have the blue one that's called Blue Cheese. You have this one that's called Parmesan Cheese. That one is Roasted Beets. Then you have this one, the purple one, which is called Eggplant. And this brown one on the end is called Black Bean. And they're really nice. I mean, look at that blue one. The only one that took a little time to swatch was that purple one. I had to actually rub my finger in the product twice. So I did 2 swatches of the purple one. So it wasn't really pigmented as much as I would like, but the rest of them went on super easy, just one circle, and then I swiped it. So that's what that one looks like. Let me go ahead and show you guys the second palette. Now this is from the palette Pizza Party. Now I would have to say this one is by far my favorite. Really pretty colors. This one on the end right here is called Sliced Black Olive. The one next to it is Smoked Salmon. Look at that. Do you see how gold that is? That is so pretty. Next to that, Salami. The one right there next to that is Caramelized Onions. You have this kind of really copper kind of color. Is called Minced Shallow. Is it shallot or shallow? I don't know. I don't eat them. And then the last one right here is like a burgundy color. It's really pretty. This one is shredded. Here's another word. I don't know. Radicchio. Radicchio. Whatever it is. I know one of you guys will correct me. So yeah, those are the colors from the Pizza Party. I will have to say that, like I said, this one is definitely my favorite out of the two. However, they're both really nice. So what I really like about products like this is they are super cute. And it's just really fun to just try new stuff, which is why I end up purchasing stuff like this all the time. But another thing too is the holidays are coming. Christmas is around the corner. If you have a teenager or a daughter or somebody that you know that likes like little novelty type stuff, even though the product is really good, these will make some perfect gifts to give to like your daughter if you're thinking of like Christmas gifts and stuff like that. So between this company and Lush, I mean, you guys can purchase gifts for anybody in your family really. So I will have most of the I will have these products listed down below, as well as the companies if you want to check them out. Oh, these are pretty. But let me wipe these off before I mess around and get it all over my shirt. And so that will be it, you guys. I just wanted to quickly jump on and show you guys both of these products. So shout out to Lush. Thank you guys for sending me another package. And shout out to Foodie Cosmetics for sending me both of these palettes. They are super cute. I will be using them. And so yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you real soon in my next video. Bye.